Peace. Hi guys, myself Mr. Nax. Welcome to a new episode.
Hello guys, welcome back to Psych. Today we'll be unboxing and reviewing the Skullcandy Sesh earphones, and let's see how good it is, and if it's good, you all can buy it too. So let's start. So basically the Skullcandy earphones is a great earphones for wireless tech lovers, and let's unbox it and review it. Just basically the controls written here and the top two pods are shown above. So let's start unboxing it. So these earphones come with about waterproof, sweatproof, dustproof, and 3 hours of battery time in the earphones and an additional 7 hours of charging time in the case. And the packaging is done really well, and you can see a USB type B cable. And it also has a range of about 10 meters for Bluetooth. There's a user manual here, which I don't think we'll be reading right now because it has multiple languages and all the controls, but I'll be showing you how to use the controls in this video. Okay, then there are these extra 4 ear sleeves, which is made up of rubber, and you get large size and small size as well. Right now the medium size one has been fit into the buds, I guess, and they feel pretty nice. And also the case feels really good. Wow, the finishing is really nice. It's a matte finish. There's a port there to charge the case, and this magnetic finish is inspired by the AirPods. There you can fit the air duct. So now let's move on to the earphones. The earphones look really slippery because they're new, I guess. And it has one button above which is covered by the Skullcandy logo, which can be used for playing music, pausing music, attending calls, increasing the volume, decreasing the volume, etc. It has a variety of controls. You can connect them through Bluetooth, and yes, you can charge them through using this case.
So guys, before heading to the next part of the video, sub to the channel would be great and appreciated, and even do press the bell icon to get all the notifications whenever I upload a new video, and do check out my latest videos. So let's go going.
So now I'll be showing you how to connect the Bluetooth earphones to the phone, and this works on Apple and well as Android. Let's open Bluetooth. It's called as the Sesh if you can zoom and see in the video, and you need to press the button for about 2 seconds.
The left button is the left one is the primary bud, and the right one is the secondary bud, which means you need to connect
or control your device using the left ones, but you can also pause and play any video with the right one as well. Now I'll be showing you how to do that in the YouTube. So music starts now. I'm just playing it in the background. Actually in the earphones it's loud enough. Press once for pause, press once for resume. Press and hold to restart, as you can see once more. So that's pretty much it, and if you press 3 times continuously, you can activate your assistant like Siri or Google Assistant. And this is also really great for athletes because when you run, these don't fall out, they grip into your ear very well.
So guys, hope you enjoyed the unboxing guys, and do comment your reviews on the product. And guys, I'm not promoting any brand, so hope you enjoyed the video. That's it for today. Thank you for watching, and Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.
Who let the dogs out? Peace.
Whatever. Please, I want to reach 1 million likes.